welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you my unboxing video of my Furla. This is my first ever purchase of Furla. There you go. It's a huge box, and my husband received this box from the mail and he was wondering what's inside the box. So I can't wait to see it.
you all my personal dreams.
So this is it, guys. It's smaller than I thought, but it's very pretty and I like it. I like the leather. It's textured leather, so it's not soft like pebble leather, but this is really nice. I like this. It's small enough to carry your everyday accessories like phone, wallet, or small cosmetics. So it's very pretty. I like it actually. This, I chose the color yellow so I can pair it with my, it's a little short and 4'10.5", and it sits on my hips. I'd rather have it longer, but it's okay. Probably do it like this, or I can do a shoulder bag. Then like a shoulder bag to me rather than crossbody, but overall it's not too bad for the price I paid. It's worth it. I didn't pay that much because I got it at 75% off, but I like the color and it's perfect for summer dress like this, or you can wear it any outfit and it's perfect. All right, thank you guys for watching.